If you're planning a Caribbean family trip and you want something that feels adventurous without being overwhelming, then snorkeling is hard to beat. It's one of those rare travel experiences that just works for almost everyone. Younger kids can splash in the shallows and spot their first tropical fish. Older kids can start building real confidence in the water, and adults get an instant Caribbean payoff of clear water, coral and marine life without needing scuba certification or a full day on a boat. Across the region, there are some incredible places where the reef is close to shore, the water stays warm year round, and the conditions are friendly enough for families to genuinely enjoy the experience together. In this video, I'm counting down 10 of the best family-friendly snorkeling spots in the Caribbean with a mix of calm beaches, easy shore entries, and a few bigger wildlife experiences if your family wants more of the wow factor. Along the way, I'll tell you what makes each place special, what kind of marine life you're likely to see there, what the water conditions usually are like, and of course the best time of year to visit. Before we jump in, a quick thank you to this video's sponsor, Anthony's Key Resort in Roatan in Honduras. Anthony's Key is located in Sandy Bay on Roatan and is built around the island's marine environment, with snorkeling, diving, family travel and ocean experiences all front and center. The resort promotes dedicated snorkeling options, publishes a weekly snorkel boat schedule, and also offers family-oriented experiences, which makes it a very natural fit for a video like this. And that sponsored tie-in makes even more sense because Roatan is one of the easiest islands in the Caribbean for families who want accessible snorkeling. So if you're the kind of traveler who wants a trip where the kids can be in the water every day without needing a major expedition each time, Anthony's Key is definitely worth a look. Starting off the list is Chankanaab in Cozumel, and this is a really good option for families who want easy logistics. It sits inside the Cozumel Reef's National Marine Park, and the big advantage here is that you're not just getting a snorkel site, you're getting a full beach park setup. That means a controlled environment, calmer entry points, and plenty to do before and after the snorkel. In the water, you can expect tropical fish, reef structures, and even underwater statues, which makes it feel a little more interactive for kids who might not be obsessed with coral identification just yet. Water temperatures around Cozumel generally stay around like 77 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, so it feels warm year round. For the best mix of comfortable weather, clearer conditions, and easier trip planning, I'd aim for December through April. That's typically the sweet spot for families who want sunny beach days and dependable snorkeling without the heavier summer heat or storm season uncertainty. At number 9 is 𝐬𝐮𝐻 Marine Reserve in Belize, and this is where the list starts to lean a little more towards wildlife spectacle. 𝐬𝐻 was Belize's first marine protected area and sits just off Ambergris Cay near the Barrier Reef. This is not your just stand on the beach and walk in kind of family snorkel. It's more of a short boat trip kind of experience, but for families with kids who are comfortable in the water, it can be unforgettable. You're talking about coral gardens, tropical fish, sea turtles, rays, and at nearby Shark Ray Alley, the chance to see nurse sharks and stingrays in shallow water. The water around Ambergris Cay stays warm all year round, with typical temperatures around the upper 70s to mid 80s, and that makes it very comfortable for long snorkel sessions. The best window is usually the dry season, roughly December to April again, when many travelers target Belize for calmer seas and more reliable weather. If you want the most relaxed family experience, that's when I'd go. At number 8, I'm putting Andrea 1 and 2 in Bonaire. Bonaire is famous for shore diving and shore snorkeling, and Andrea is one of those spots that makes the islands just so appealing to beginners. Bonaire's official tourism site specifically says Andrea 1 and 2 are ideal for beginning divers and snorkelers, which is exactly what you want for a family list. The shallows here are the star of the show. And one of the coolest details is that Bonaire highlights 3 large parrotfish species that you might see here: the blue parrotfish, midnight, and the rainbow parrotfish. Bonaire's sea temperatures, again, average around the upper 70s to the mid 80s Fahrenheit throughout the year, so exposure is rarely a problem. In terms of timing throughout the year, Bonaire is one of the more dependable Caribbean options, and travel guidance generally points to January through September as a particularly strong window, whilst the island's marine park guidance also notes that Bonaire offers good underwater conditions year round. For families, that means that you've got a lot of flexibility. At number 7, we've got Smith's Reef, and this is one of the best shore snorkeling reefs in Turks and Caicos. The official tourism site describes it as one of the island's best, easily accessible beach snorkeling locations, and it's a brilliant option for families with confident swimmers who want proper reef scenery without booking a boat. Visit Turks and Caicos to see colourful reef fish, flamingo-tongued sea snails, green and hawksbill turtles, southern brown stingrays, and even spotted eagle rays. That's a seriously strong lineup for a shore accessible dive site. Water temperatures around the area average around 78 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can snorkel comfortably at any time of the year. For first-time family visitors, the official tourism guidance is especially favourable towards February, March and April, with January to April generally being the dry season. That makes late winter into spring the easiest time to recommend, especially if you want calmer feeling beach days and fewer weather variables. At number 6 is Smith Cove, also known as Smith Barkadir in Grand Cayman. This is one of those places that's really appealing because it combines easy access with a genuinely beautiful setting. The Cayman Islands Department of Tourism highlights the snorkeling here along with practical family-friendly details like public restrooms, picnic benches and outdoor showers. That matters more than people admit, especially when you're snorkeling with younger kids that need the day to run smoothly. The water in Grand Cayman generally sits around 78 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year, so warmth is rarely an issue. For marine life, stronger swimmers can often find coral and tropical fish offshore, and local family guidance also notes that children can see schools of small fish close to the shore, whilst more confident snorkelers may spot larger parrotfish, reef squid and octopus a bit further out. In terms of timing, winter through spring is the easiest recommendation for families, though Cayman's tourism site also points out that the islands stay attractive year-round, with October to November offering the lower prices despite some higher rainfall. At number 5 is Cas Abao Beach in Curaçao, and this is one of the most balanced choices on the whole list. Curaçao's tourism site describes Cas Abao as ideal for swimmers of all ages and says its reefs are paradise for snorkelers and divers. That's exactly the kind of wording that you want for a family shortlist, because it tells you that the beach works both as a relaxed beach day and as a real snorkel stop. You've got clear water, a sandy beach, you've got some shade and services on dry land, which helps a lot when not everyone in the family wants to be in the water the entire time. Once you do get in, you can expect tropical fish in the shallows, and local guides note that sea turtles do occasionally show up as well. Water temperatures around Curaçao are usually around 79 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, and climate guidance suggests late December to mid-March is one of the strongest periods for classic beach weather, whilst December to April is commonly treated as the popular high season window, so that makes this a very safe recommendation for winter family travel. At number 4 is Trunk Bay on St. John, and this one earns its place because it adds an educational twist that kids often love. The National Park Service says the underwater snorkel trail introduces visitors to the colourful world of the coral reef, with underwater signs explaining the animals that depend on the reef and how to protect it. That makes Trunk Bay more than just a beach. It becomes a little underwater classroom, which is perfect for families who want their snorkeling to feel like an experience rather than just floating around and hoping to see something. Marine life here includes tropical fish and, depending on conditions, sea turtles and other reef creatures discussed along the trail. Water around St. John typically ranges from about 77 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit over the year, and climate guidance points to early December through to mid-April as the best period for hot weather beach activity in the US Virgin Islands. That said, Trunk Bay can be busier than some other entries on this list, so it's one of those spots where going early can really improve the family experience. At number 3 is Baby Beach in Aruba, and if you're traveling with younger children or complete beginners, this may be the easiest place on the entire list to love. Visit Aruba describes the bay as warm, shallow and sheltered by breakwater, and notes that much of the water is only knee to waist deep. That's why it has such a strong family reputation. It gives kids room to relax and get comfortable in the water, and it gives the parents a setting that feels a little less intimidating than just open coast snorkeling. Even though it's shallow, you can still see plenty of life. Recent snorkeling guides report reef fish like sergeant majors, parrotfish and wrasses, which is more than enough to keep younger snorkelers engaged. Aruba's water temperatures are usually high up around the 79 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, and both official and climate guidance points to December through April as the most popular window for near perfect beach weather. Although Aruba is one of the Caribbean islands that stays appealing most of the year thanks to its generally dry climate. At number 2 is Maho Bay on St. John, and for a lot of families this will be the single most memorable snorkel on the list. The National Park Service calls it a great place to view sea turtles and say it's ideal for families and visitors new to snorkeling. That combination is hard to beat. Calm water, very easy access, and sea turtles. It's basically the dream formula for family snorkeling. Another local guidance also notes that the seagrass beds here attract rays, and that the surrounding rocky areas hold very colourful reef fish and some of the nicer corals in the park. Like Trunk Bay, Maho benefits from the US Virgin Islands' warmer water temperatures, with sea temperatures generally around 77 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year. The strongest overall travel window is still December through to mid-April for classic beach weather, but Maho's protected geography is part of what makes it so attractive for families in the first place. When other beaches feel choppier, Maho often stays calmer and easier to enjoy. And at number 1, especially for a family trip that ties in neatly with Anthony's Key Resort, I'm going with West Bay Beach in Roatan. Roatan Tourism Guidance highlights the reefs here as being very close to shore, and that is the key detail. For families, close reef access just changes everything. It means less energy spent getting to the snorkeling, less time dealing with boats, and more time actually seeing fish. Roatan's reef system is part of the wider Mesoamerican reef region, and around West Bay you've got the kind of easy tropical snorkeling that can hook kids on the ocean for life. Roatan's Tourism Bureau also notes that parrotfish are very commonly seen around coral-rich areas, including West Bay. Water temperatures around Roatan generally range from about 79 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, which keeps it comfortable all year round. For the easiest family conditions, late winter and spring are the strongest bet, with multiple travel sources pointing to December to April, and especially late winter to early spring as one of the best periods for drier weather and stronger underwater visibility. So if you are staying with Anthony's Key and you want an easy add-on day that gives you classic Caribbean sand and reef snorkeling, West Bay is the standout choice. So those are my Caribbean top 10 snorkeling spots for families. Nice, easy conditions, warm waters, so you don't have to worry about exposure protection or wetsuits or anything, and the best chances for seeing marine life and coral reefs. If you visited any of these, or if you have any that you'd like to recommend, then let everyone know down in the comments under this video. And if you found this useful, then remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more. If you're planning a trip to the Caribbean, then check out Anthony's Key Resort first by clicking this affiliate link, which of course helps support the channel. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.